In this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. How to solve this problem by using the solid software. The top view capital PQ of a straight line is 70 mm and makes an angle of 60 degree with XY line. The NQ is 10 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above HP. The difference between the distances of capital P and capital Q above HP is 45 mm. Draw the projections, determine its true length and true inclination with HP and VP. So this is the problem which is given to you. So how to solve this problem by using the solid software. So here, this is the basic screen or the home screen of the solid edge of drafting, wherein this is the sheet which is the default sheet which is of A2 size. So I need to change the sheet to A4 because in the examination we are going to take the printout on A4 size sheet. So how to change the sheet setup? So to change the sheet setup, come down to sheet 1 which is there on the lower left corner, then right click on the second button of the mouse, then click on sheet setup, then come down to the background sheet. The background sheet default is A2. Now you click on this downward combo box and click on A4 sheet, show the background. I don't want to show the background. You say OK, then the sheet is changed to A4, but the display is still kept for A2 only. So now I need to fit to the A4. You just click on the fit. Now once you do that, now we need to write the text, that is the question. See the top view of PQ. So how to do that? So you just go to text box, click on the text. Now you come down to Times New Roman and the font size for writing the question we're going to take font. Then you take the cursor somewhere here, click on for the position of a text string or click drag or place the text box. So here I will just click on this position. Then I will start typing the top view PQ, the top view capital PQ of a straight line, is 70 mm, and makes an angle of 60 degree. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and remove the Alt key. 60 degree with XY line. The NQ, the N capital Q, is 10 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above HP. The difference between the distances of capital P and Q above HP is 45 mm. Draw the projections. Determine its true length and true inclination with HP and then just right click. Now you go to fit. So here go to sketching, click on move, you select this and move it here. Now you go to zoom window, zoom area, what you take. Now we are going to start writing the drawing. So to do that, first you go to the IntelliSketch, remove point or element, you click on endpoint, take on intersection and then horizontal or vertical is enabled and all other options you switch off. Then first I am going to draw a line. To draw a line, I will go to line command. So I want to take the thickness of the line as 0.05, then I will consider any arbitrary point, and from there I will draw one horizontal line of any length. Now I will go to mark that point as XY line. So you go to text. Now you take text height as 3. So here you type capital X, put the caps lock on, X, then here it is Y, then you take VP, then in this case you take HP, then remove the caps lock. Now the end Q is 10 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above HP. So I will go for offset command. 10 mm in front of VP means it will be HP. So distance is 10. Take the XY line, click on this, right click. 10 mm in front of VP is seen in HP. So HP is below XY line. Take the cursor below XY line and click on the first button of the mouse. And then, do you want to have one more line to be offset? No, just right click. Then 30 mm above HP. Since you are already in the offset command, you now under distance, you type 30 and enter. Then again, you take the same line XY, click on that, then right click, and then click to place offset element. I want 30 mm above HP is seen in VP. Where is VP? VP is above XY line, and take the cursor to the top and click on the first button of the mouse. Do you want to continue that? No. Right click. Now we will go for line command and draw one vertical line of any length. Then go to trim corner between this and this, between this and this. Now we have Q dash and Q. So now I will go to name them first. So go to this, and here you type Q dash, and here you type small letter q. And of course you need to have a capital Q also. Then in this case you have capital Q. Okay, now you go to zoom window, go to move, select this Q dash and bring it here, and you take Q, then you take this Q and this capital Q. Okay, now you fit this. Then he has given the straight line PQ, straight line 70 mm and makes an angle of 60 degree with XY line. What he has given? The top view. Since he has given the top view, so here I will go to fit. Here the top view of capital PQ of a straight line is 70 mm and makes an angle 60 degree with XY line. So you just go to line command, take a line from the end point of this, take the length as 70, then the angle, since you are rotating in clockwise direction, so it will be negative, so you take minus 60. Then you draw a horizontal line here. So now we got the locus of Q in the top view. So go to line and draw one vertical line here of any length. Then go to extend to next. So you extend this line till here. Now we have the top view now. So what is the point here? The point will going to be small p. So I will hit small p. Then here this will be locus of p in the front view, top view, locus of p. Okay. Then come down to zone area here. Then go to move. Select this point and click it here. Then go to fit. Now, once you do that, now we know the end Q, the differences between the distances of capital P and capital Q above HP is 45. So capital Q is here. From here I want 45 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as 45, enter. You click on this, right click and take it to the front view above HP by 45 mm. So above HP is seen in VP. So you are going to get this as the locus of P. So go to move, click on copy, you select this, then you copy this here, locus of P. So this is Q and this is P. The distance between these two is the one what he is talking about is 45 mm. Above HP is seen in the vertical plane. Where is the vertical plane? Vertical plane is above XY line. Now, since you have the top view, the front view of this point will going to lie on the same line, such that it will going to cut the locus of P in the front view. So go to line command, draw a line from end point of this and draw a vertical line. So then go to trim this line, then you come down to line, take the line command, take end point of this to end point of this. Now once you get this, now you come down to zoom window here. Now you go to text, here you type P dash. Put the caps lock R, type P dash, then go to move, select this and move it here. Go to move, disable copy, you select this and move it here, P dash, then go to fit. Now once you get this, now I want to find the true length in the horizontal plane. If you want to find the true length in the top view, I should make the front view line parallel to XY. So to do that, I will go to R by center point, select this point as the end point, that is the center point, and this is the starting point of the arc. Click on this and then you take it to the downward direction. Then go to trim corner between this and this. Okay. Now we have got this point will be P1 dash. So you write P1 dash. Then go to zoom window. Then go to move. Select this and bring it here. Now when you do that, so you will going to get since the front view line is parallel to XY, corresponding top view, that is from here, you project this line till here. The corresponding top view will going to be in true length. So here you come down to this will be P1. So go to text and here you type P1. Then go to move. Select this and move it here. And now you go to text, click here and type capital P in bracket. Then go to move this and keep it here. This is the true length in the top view. So then I want to join between these two. So go to line, draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. So now we got the true length in the top view. Now I want to find the true length in the front view. You make the front view line parallel. Sorry, to find the front view true length, I want to make, to find the front view true length, I want to take the top view and rotate it and make it parallel to XY. So to do that, I will go to zoom window, go to arc by center point. You take the center point as this and the starting point of the arc as P, then you rotate it and make it parallel. Then go to trim corner between these two. Now the top view line is parallel. So I will make this as P2 and go to move, select this and move it nearer to that point. Then go to fit, then come down to zoom window, then go to line. Now the top view line is parallel to XY. Its corresponding line in the front view will going to be the true length. Go to trim. Project that to the locus of P, then go to move, select this, you keep it here. Then you come down to this, here go to text, type P2 dash, then you type capital P. That is the true length line. Go to move, select this and keep it here, and you select this and keep it here. Once you do that, now I want to draw a line or join between Q dash to P2 dash, which will going to be the true length line. So now we have completed the drawing. But what next? I want to remove all these extra things. So go to split this line till here, then go to select this line and delete it. Now you go to zoom window, adjust the spacings, go to move, select P2 dash, then you have capital P, then you have the locus of P. Then you just click on select this line and make it dash dot line. So this is the first thing what we have done. Then come down to this here. Now you go to split this line till here, okay. Then you go to select, remove this line, extra line. Then go to move, you take X and bring it here, you take VP, then HP, okay, then Y. So now this is the over. Now the next point is come down to this now, here. Then go to move, locus of P, bring it here, then go to split this line till here, and you split this line till here. Then go to select this and you press delete, and you select this and press delete option. Now you select this line and come down to dash dot line. So you have the locus line. So once we complete all these things, now we go for the line thicknesses. Go to front view by holding the shift key, take the front and top view and make that line as 0.5. Then similarly select this line true length and you select this line true length and make it as 0.35, and then take the XY line and you make it as 0.13. Once you do that, now we go for the dimension. So to do that, go to dimension styles, click on ISO, click on modify, go to general, make everything black here. Then you come down to text, go to Times New Roman and you take the font size as 3. Then lines and coordinates, take this as 0.1. Then go to units. So linear dimension is up to second decimal point and angular dimension is also you take up to second decimal point. And then say OK and then apply. Now we go for dimension distance between. Select this line and select this line. You get 30 and then you select between these two. You are going to get 10. Now we have the top view line. Select between these two. You will get 70. Then you go to angle between these two. We are going to get it as 60 degrees. Then determine the true length and its inclination with HP and VP. So you just go to select this between these two. You select. So how much you are going to get? So 83.22. So come down to this. So here, what is the true length what we have got earlier? The same thing we are getting here also, and hence our problem is right. Okay, fine. Then similarly, I want to find what is the angle between these two lines. This will be 32.74 degree. So 32.74 degree theta. Then also here angle between this line and this line, you are going to get it as 46.76. So 45.76. This is it 46. So here there may be some mistake. No. (46.76). But here what we are getting is maybe it's a typographical error of committing a mistake of writing, because we have shown only through that. Now the one point where I can commit this mistake is only here or somewhere here. No, that is also right. And you come down to this point, here is also fine. So it is actually 46.76. Okay. Now how to then you need to show the directions of projections. So to do that, you click on point on element, okay, remove endpoint and remove intersection. Now go to leader. So first I will go to project this to the front view. You got the front view. Then I will project the front view point down, rotate this front view point till to the locus of Q. Then I will go to project the top view point, rotate this, and you project this to the this. This this is how you will be able to get the drawing. Now I need to remove all these things. So here I will say take this and come down to this, make it blank. Okay, now I want to find the true length. So I will just go to text and here put the caps lock on, type TL equals question mark. Okay, then you go to rotate, remove copy, select this, take the horizontal direction and align with that line approximately. Then go to move this and keep it true length here. And similarly, I want theta. Okay, so go to this, select this and remove blank. So here, and this is also you take it and remove to blank. So the text will be removed. Now you come down to text, come down to symbol. So here you put theta and this is f, small letter f. Then go to theta, move that and place it wherever you want. Similarly phi also you place it wherever you want. Now I need to type the text. Go to text, come down to Times New Roman. So here I will type true length. Then what is the distance? 83.22 mm. So remove the caps lock. 83.22 mm. Then I want angle which is 32.74. So you take 32.74 by holding the Alt key, type 0176 degrees. Then again you have 46.76, 1 degree more, 46.76 by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and release it. So once you get this, now I will right click, then go to move. So move this true length, then 83.22 mm, then you take 32.74 which is theta and then 46.76 which is phi. Then you go to enable copy, you select this theta and bring it here, and now you take phi and bring it here. Okay, once you do that, then go to line, draw a vertical line of any length, then you take this till here, then you take this till here, then go to trim corner between these two, then go to move, enable copy, you select that, then you take x displacement is 0, so it will move only in y direction, and then right click. Similarly you go to move command, select this, then click on, then the y displacement is 0, so you take this till to the true length. Okay, bifurcate this, then go to text and here type, put the caps lock on, type answers. Then go to move, select this, disable copy and place it wherever you want. So now this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using this audited software. And of course we need to find what is the distance between these two. Of course that is the important thing which I left out. You take between these two, so this distance will going to be the 45. Then go to zoom window and you remove or you move this out, take P1 dash and keep it out. So this is the difference between the distances of P and Q above HP is 45 mm. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. How do I know that my problem is right? So you can say the front view, if you know this is the front view because the top view is inclined. You know this is the top view because the front view is inclined. You know this is the true length because in the front view because the top view line is parallel to XY. You know this is the true length in top view because the front view line is parallel to XY. And the accuracy of the drawing what you are getting here is up to the second decimal point accuracy. Thank you.